Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is lecture number 25 of Mathematics 4024 of GCE. Ladies and gentlemen, in the last lecture we discussed the uh, exercise 4. In the exercise 4 a 10 questions, and today we are going to discuss the question number 11, which is on page number 91. Question number 11 is saying Raj is 12 years old. So we have to write the data as it is given. Raj current age is equal to 12m. This is a variable. M means nothing, not months, not years. It is just a variable. His son was born when he was 9m years old. Part number 1 is saying that find Raj's age 5 years later. So Raj age after 5 years. We have to add with 12m5 and we have to write the years, and that's it. The second part is saying that find the sum of their ages in 5 years time. We found the Raj's age after 5 years. Now we have to find the father age in the year, and then we will find the sum of the both. So here I am writing present age of Raj's son. Present age of Raj's son is equal to 12m minus 9m, because when his son born, the father age was 9m. So you have to subtract that 9m from the 12m. So it means that it will give us 3m. Okay, that was the uh, present age of Raj's son. Uh, present age of Raj's son after 5 years. After 5 years, his age will be 3m plus 5. So it will be this much, and this is also years, and these are also years. Now we have to find the sum of their ages is equal to 12m plus 5 plus 3m plus 5. So it means 12m plus 3m plus 5 plus 5 if we open these brackets. So it means 15m plus 10. And that is the ultimate answer. Question number 12 is saying that Huixian bought 8 books at W dollar. So we have to write 8 books at W dollars. Huixian. E and 7 pence for M dollar plus 7 pence from M dollar. Uh, she had 3W plus 5M dollar left plus dollar 3M 3W plus 5M 3W plus 5M. That was the total money with her. So if find the amount of money she had at first, so you have to add amount of money she had at first is equal to this. So it means dollar 8W plus dollar 7M plus dollar 3W plus dollar 5M. Now we have to add this one with this one. So dollar 11W and M with the M. So we are having this 7M and 5M that will yield dollar 12M. Now if we are writing dollar outside, so 11W plus 12M is the ultimate answer of this question. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming towards the question number 13, and that is the advanced level question. The question is saying at a famous roti paratha shop, for every 2 people who order eggs, there is a paratha shop, roti paratha shop, and for every 2 people who ordered eggs, what happened? Uh, there are 5 people who order plain paratha. 2 people order egg paratha in a shop, and 5 people order 5 people order plain paratha, not egg paratha. So how many total people are there? 7 people. Keep this in mind because in the last part we will need this. So 7 people are there. So for 2 people and 5, it means ratio. So it means that 2 ratio 5, and if you are writing it in the rational number, so you have to write either 2 ratio 5 or 5 ratio 2 according to the given question. There are 7 people. 2 people order what? Egg paratha. So for that 2 people, 5 people order plain paratha. So it means 2 ratio to the 5. So they are saying that in the A part, if A people order egg paratha, if A people, so the number of people, the number of people who order plain paratha. People who ordered plain paratha is equal to 5 divided by 2a, because 5 people given order of plain paratha and 2 people, so you have to write 5 in the numerator. Now in the second part they are saying that if B people order plain paratha, how many people order egg paratha? The number of people who ordered egg paratha, you have to write now. First, the egg paratha is equal to 5 ratio 2b. This is the, if there are a total of C people, I told you that keep in mind that how many people are there? 7 people. So they are saying that if total are C people in the shop, how many of them order egg paratha? Number of people who order egg paratha, C number part, number of people who ordered egg paratha. So there were 2 people. At the beginning of this question, they told us that there are 2 people who ordered 2 egg paratha. So 5 people ordered uh, plain paratha. Egg paratha is equal to 2 over 7c. 2 over 7. Let me leave for you people. Number of people who ordered plain paratha will be how much? This is an exercise for you people, and you have to write the answer in the comment if you can solve it. And that is very easy, because in this case there are 2 people who order out of 7. So in the next part I am asking, this is not the part of the question, but I am asking that how many people of the total order plain paratha if there are D people in the shop. That's it, ladies and gentlemen, for this exercise. Now we are turning our focus to exercise number 4b, which is also very important, although it is a very basic concept, but this course is designed to clear your basic concept, and gradually in book 2 we will go towards the uh, mm, uh, intermediate level concept, and in book 3 and 4 we will learn the advanced concept of these topics. So keep in mind that this is very important. Okay, the exercise 4a is all about sum involving the negative uh, of a linear expression. Now many students are confused in this. So exercise 4b is on page number 95 if you are having the book. If you people are not having this book, so you can find it on the net, the copy of a PDF. It is available. So whatever they are giving you the conditions, you have to go according to that condition, buy it, or if it is free, download it. Okay. Uh, Basic level question is saying one number, expand each of the following expressions. Now, number one question and a number part is saying that minus is outside of the bracket and 5. This concept is also very important. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you when there is no sign, so it will be considered as positive. And also I told you in the previous lecture, when this minus is multiplied with this plus, so it will become minus x, and when then minus is multiplied with this one, because bracket is showing you that this negative symbol will be multiplied with each of them. So it will be minus 5, and that is the answer. B part is saying minus 4 minus x. 4 minus x. So when this minus is multiplied with 4, so it will become negative, and when this minus multiplied with this minus, it will yield positive x. Third number is 2 into 3y and then plus 7. So it means that 2 3s are 6y and plus 2 7s are 14. D part, these are easy, but gradually it will go towards the difficult question. 8 into 2y minus 5. Yes, minus 5. So 8 2s are 16y minus 40. For minus 40. Now E part is saying that 8 3a minus 4b. 3 8s are 24a minus 32b. So this is the answer of E, and then we are having F, and they are saying 3 into minus 3 into C plus 6. C plus 6. So this is minus 3C, and when minus is multiplied with plus, that will be minus and then 18. Keep in mind one thing. This will help you in the upcoming factorization. And I will remind you that, if I remember, that see, if minus is multiplied with the variable, the sign of them will change. How? It is plus, so it will become minus. It is minus, it is become it is plus, it becomes minus. So we will learn that if negative is taken as a common, for example, in this minus 3 minus 18, so it will change the sign, this minus to positive, that will be C, and this negative to positive, and that will be. So when you are taking negative as a common one, the sign of each term in an expression will change. And in other words, if you are multiplying negative with in the brackets, whatever there is, the sign of those will change. If it is positive, it will become negative, and if it is positive, it will add. If it was negative, it could be then positive. If it is negative, negative will yield positive. So F and G number part is saying that minus 4D minus 6. So it is equal to minus 4D. Again, I am applying that rule that if it is positive and multiplied with negative, so it will become negative. This is negative, so it will become positive. 4 6 are 24. So that is the answer. Now the final part of this question is saying H and then 2D into 2D into x minus y. So positive will not change the sign. When positive is multiplied with anything inside the brackets, that will not change these signs. But if it was negative, when negative is multiplied, it will change the sign. So 2dx minus 2dy. 2dx minus 2dy. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the whole story about question number 1. Let me erase the whiteboard and then we will move forward. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, second question of 4B is saying expand and simplify each of the following expression. Now here you have to expand first the technique of first question and then add the similar terms with each other. That means simplify. So expand it first. 5a plus 2b and minus 3b will come on its place. So 5a minus 3b, 5a minus 3b, sorry, minus 5a plus 2b minus 3b, and that will be minus b, and that is the answer. Because plus 3b and minus 3b, I remind you the concept that if there are two different symbols in the addition or subtraction, subtract the smaller number from the larger number and put the symbol of the larger number. In this case 3 is the larger number. So here this is the answer. In this case, if we are first expanding it, so it will be equal to 70q plus 12p plus 14q. Now 7p and 12p will be added. You have to write it together and that will yield 19p plus this one and this one will give you 84q. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that it is my experience that many students are adding this 7 with this 70 and 12, and because 7p means 7 chairs, for example, and 70 q means 70 tables. So chairs cannot be added with the table if it is asked that how many chairs are there and how many tables are there. Chairs will be added with chairs and tables will be added with the table. In this case, I am writing A plus 3b, and I told you that minus is when multiplied, it will change the sign. 5a plus 4b. Now we have to add this, so minus 4a and then plus 7b. Now D part is a bit longer one but not difficult. 3 will be multiplied with whatever inside these parentheses. So 6x minus 9y plus 3z. Because it is positive, so the sign will not be affected. And then I have to write 7z here. Now x will be added with the x1, so it will become 7x. Y will be added with y, but there is no other y, so you have to simply write minus 9y, and 3z and 7z. It is like this, that 3z plus 7z plus 7z, it will become 10z. So 3z's when added with the 7z, it will become 10z. So that is the whole story of the question number 3. Now we are turning our focus to question number 3. And question number 3 is saying Harold is X years old. Harold's uncle is 4 times as old as Harold. Will be in 5 years. Find the present age of Harold's uncle. Okay, let us solve this question number 3. Question number 3 is saying that Harold current age is equal to X. After 5 years, his age is equal to X plus 5. The question is saying that Harold's current age will be 4 times of the current age of Harold after 5 years. So we found that it is 5 and years you have to write. Now we have to open 4x plus 20 years is the answer of this question. Now we are turning our focus to question number 4. The question is saying Devi bought 7 skirt. Sorry, this is question number 5. I have to do question number 4. A pair cost X cents. An average cost Y cents less than a pair. Find the cost of 4 pears and half a dozen of oranges. Okay, let us solve this question, and this question is question number 4. The data given to us: cost of pear is equal to X cost of orange is equal to X minus Y, and these are cents. Yeah, they are X cents and they are X minus Y cents. How I took this? Because they are saying oranges are costing less, Y less than the cost of the pear. So according to the condition, they are telling us that total cost will be total cost is equal to 4 pears plus half a dozen, yani 6 of the oranges. So that is the total cost in cents. So that is equal to 4x plus 6x minus 6y cents. Now we have to add this 4x with the 6x, which is 10x, and minus 6y cents. That will be the total cost of this. This data is given to us. I am not writing it from my own side. This is given to us. So according to the condition I am saying, listen carefully, that a pear cost X cent and orange cost Y cents less than a pear. Y cents less than a pear because pear cost X. Find the cost of 4 pears. 4 pears because X represent pears. So 4 pears and half a dozen of oranges, yani 6 oranges, and oranges is X minus Y. So this was the whole story about the question number 4. We are going to finish this exercise number 4 basic level question. So I am doing the 5 number question as well. Devi bought 7 skirts at X dollar each. N skirts at $12 each. 12N plus 1 skirt at $15 each, and 4 skirts at 3x each. Find the total cost of these skirts she bought. Okay, let us do this question number 5. It is not that much difficult if you give a closer look. Total cost of skirts, total cost of skirts Devi bought is equal to, now the first part is 7 skirt at X. So 7 multiplied by $X plus, the next part is saying that N skirt at 12. So N multiplied by $12 plus, again the question is saying 2N plus 1 skirts at $15. So 2N plus 1 skirt multiplied by $15, and at the end they are saying 4 skirt at 3x dollar plus 4 into $3x. So we will find the total cost. Now we will write first as $7x plus $12n plus $30n plus $15 plus $12x. Now we have to add x with the x, n with the n, and write the constant separately. So 7x and 12x, that will cost $19x, and then 12n plus 30n plus $42n, and we have to write this one separately plus $15. Now if you want to write this dollar outside, 19x plus 42n plus $15. That is the ultimate answer. And that's it for today. Tomorrow we will start intermediate level questions of these algebraic expression. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.